welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel as well. My name is Karina, and if you haven't already, make sure to think about subscribing down below. For today's video, I decided to create my everyday makeup look along with my hairdo right here, like it. I rarely even do this hairdo just because I hate having my hair tied to my head and because I just feel like it does not look good on me. I do it when estoy despeinada and I need to look peinada, so this is one of the hair looks that I would do. Pasa bien rápido. But anyway, guys, yeah, like I was saying, this is super easy. Super easy. Why wouldn't you want to watch? And it will literally go with any lip color, literally. So if you guys want to know how I got this, then just keep on watching.
Okay, so I'm going to start off by using my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. I really love this moisturizing because it really hydrates my face. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetic Liquid Foundation and my L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation. And I'm going to be mixing both of them together because the BH is too light on me and the True Match is too dark on me. So, like I said, I'm just going to mix them together and it's going to make the perfect combination for me. Now I'm going to be taking my contour kit. It's not the best one out there. I'm going to be taking the middle tone and I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. The only reason why I'm okay using this one is because I only use it to add a little bit of color onto my face. I rarely even contour my face. And to top that off, I'm going to be applying my Gold Deposit bronzer by MAC, and yeah, I'm just going to be applying that on top of that to add a little bit more of that bronzy look. Next, I'm going to be taking my Bella Pure Cosmetics and I'm literally going to take the top shade. Well, I'm going to be using it as a highlight. You can literally use it for like eyeshadow, for your lips, for whatever you want. Now I'm going to be taking a flat brush and I'm going to be using the same previous shade that I used as a highlight. But this time I'm going to be applying this shade in my inner corners. Moving on to my lashes, I'm going to be using my CoverGirl, the Supersizer Fiber. I really like this one because it actually makes my lashes look long. And I also like using this mascara with a different mascara, which is called the Maybelline New York Pumped Up. I didn't really think anything of this mascara, but then I saw my mom using it and I was like, I need to try it to see how it works or how it looks on me. So I ended up trying my mom's mascara before I went to go and purchase it. And it turns out I actually ended up liking it a lot. It made my lashes look super long, super dark, and super full. And I was like, yes, I'm going to go and purchase it. And I did. And it was like $6 and something at Walmart. But then the other day I was at Marshall's and I saw it for like $3.99 or something like that. This is the part where I'm going to show you how I usually braid my hair. I know. Estoy despeinada. Don't worry, ahorita me voy a peinar. But let's see how I can explain this to you guys. I really suck at explaining. Okay, so you're going to want to part your line straight. After that, I'm just going to spray some hairspray just to put my baby hairs down. And then I'm just going to part it in half. And I'm just going to make sure to go straight down. And then when I'm done doing that, I'm just going to get one side and tie it in a little bun. And then I'm just going to get the other side and comb it nicely. Make sure there's no tangles. And once again, I'm going to spray some hairspray just to make it look nice. Okay, so I'm just going to split the section into 3 equal strands. So you just want to hold the right strand in your right hand. And then I'm just going to cross the right strand under the middle strand. Then cross the left strand under the new middle strand. And then you just want to gather a thin strand of hair from the right side of your hairline and add it to the right strand. And then you just want to repeat the same process on the left side, which is gather a thin strand of hair from the left side of your hairline, add it to the left strand, then cross it under the middle strand. And then you just want to smooth down any hairs and make sure that the braid is really tight, and you're just going to repeat the same process.
You know that life is full of surprises. You better realize, nobody knows what's in your soul and how your heart works. Nobody knows, nobody cares. It's time for you to live your life.
And then I'm just gonna spray some hairspray once again. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this side. I'm pretty much gonna be doing the same thing on the other side. I will be showing you guys, but I'm just gonna be speeding it up a little bit. Next, I'm going to be using my NYX lip cream in the color Istanbul. I wanted to go for a simple, natural look for today. Literally, you can use any color you would like on this part.
Well, yeah, guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure to think about subscribing down below. Until next time, guys.